Oh, okay. You're now on speaker and in my video.
Oh, I'm in your video?
Now you are.
I'm in your video.
Well, not. Well, you are in it. You're the phone. See?
I'm the phone.
Look at how I feel. Hold on. Wait. You can't really see. Yeah, you can't see. It says like JUST and then it says Kotsker Kim. And I was like, I can't even write Justin because I feel it life. And it won't let me backspace on my phone. Say something exciting to YouTube.
What?
Say something exciting to YouTube.
Something exciting to you.
Oh, you're so cool.
I am. I'm so good. I'm so good.
Yeah, you're going off speaker. I'm not even like listening to you. The phone's like all the way over there.
Over there, look at that. You're hanging out with me, you don't even hear me. How mean is that? Hello?
Oh, I'm sorry, what? I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed.
Why did you say my phone? It's retarded.
Ow!
I meant to be like, I'm the phone. I'm over here all by myself.
Always stop when I hit the club. Yeah.
Always straps when I hit the club. Niggas give me that, niggas give me hugs. And since I'm paid, niggas be mugging me. You know I'm mugging back. Niggas be mugging me. You know I'm mugging back. Yes, sir. Check me out. Look, 26 inches, 56 cookie, old school shit.
Wow.
Strawberry paint, vanilla pudding, two bitches, going in church pussy, top shot.
Sitting in my video making funny faces.
Driveway looks something like a parking lot. I'm so unorthodox. I got the bitch riding a dick with
My
no
favorite part of the song.
Bounce, bitch. Bounce, bounce. I'm the hottest shit jumping out
What?
the coffee pot. And I'm just trying to get my
No.
spot like a coke dot. Little push make my eyes and my shoulders drop. Little serve and I can make a soda pop.
What do you mean?
Keep talking and I can make my soda pop.
I don't get what you're talking about.
I got the soul straight living out.